The Welsh Government has been working on how it believes a variety of issues relating to the environment should be addressed in Wales, and it has presented the changes it would like to make in the proposed draft law, the Environment Wales Bill. We, the National Assembly for Wales Environment and Sustainability Committee, have been tasked with scrutinising the Environment Bill, and we are seeking your views to assist us in our task of deciding, firstly, whether this bill should become law, and secondly, to make sure that if it is to become law, it is made to the highest standards. For the full explanation of our work on this bill, you'll need to take a look at the Assembly's website. But to summarise, this bill proposes changes to the law in order to address questions like: how do we protect our environment whilst making sustainable use of our natural resources? How do we tackle climate change? Can we improve our waste reduction and collection arrangements, including our carrier bag charging scheme and recycling rates? Are our arrangements for marine licensing and licensing shellfish fisheries right? And do we need to make changes to the law around the Flood and Coastal Erosion Committee and land drainage? For further information on how you can contribute to the inquiry, please visit the National Assembly for Wales website, www.assembly.wales.